friends, today I am going to tell you how to make a simple aquarium using the paper plates at home. First I took a paper plate and painted 3/4 of it using blue color like this. I thought of making it a seabed effect, so I planned to add some sand below. I added glue in the rest of the space and roughly added some sand on it. I took the green color paper and drew some grass on it. I cut it out and pasted it on the paper plate to make the grass effects. You can take different color papers and draw fishes on it, and you can also stick them there. You can draw all the sea creatures you like the starfish, seahorse, Dora, whale, shark, dolphin, and all. I drew a starfish and cut it like this. Then I placed it over the plate. To make it simple and finish it soon, I added the fish stickers on it. After adding the stickers, it looks more beautiful. To make it realistic, I took another paper plate and cut out the outer layer alone. Then I pasted the outer layer on top like this. It is almost done, and finally I took the plastic wrap and wrapped it over on top. Look friends, how beautiful it is. After I added the plastic wrap, it looks like the fishes are swimming inside the water. Okay friends, end of the video. Bye bye. Happy learning.